Hi everybody, this is Michelle. It is Sunday, January 12th, and I'm hopping on to make a fun little project really quick. So I've been in a crafting mood, so I thought I would get on here and make a project with anyone that happened to hop on. So let me just pull this up on my phone so if I get a comment I can see them. And then we'll get started. Hi Denise. Okay, so here in Michigan we got a bunch of ice last night and today, and our roads actually were really cleared. They were great. Ended up not being as bad as we thought it would be. And so this evening I went to the dollar store and I found this cute little craft bottle. You see it? It's plastic. And so I thought I would make a fun little craft using some of that heartfelt paper. So that's what we're going to do tonight. So I see some people logged on. Hi Marie, hi Wendy, hi Ann. So we're going to make a craft. I do a lot of different treats with candy, and so I know not everybody can have candy, or everyone it's the new year, so everyone is trying to be healthy, and my husband personally doesn't eat any candy, and so I'm gonna do something with this that is a non-candy little gift you can give. Oh, thank you, Marie. She said she loved my sweater. Thank you. So again, this is $1 at the dollar store, and we're gonna open it up, and again, you could fill it with anything you wanted, but I'm gonna turn the camera down and we're gonna get crafty. So thanks for joining me on this Sunday night. I hope everyone is had a great weekend, and if you want or you can share this. Okay. So here's our jar, and what I thought we would put in here, now of course you could get some fun little chocolate covered hearts to fill that, or with anything, but what I found are this bath soak, so like Epsom salts, so we're gonna actually fill this. So hopefully, I'm smelling it. It smells like vanilla. It said vanilla scented. I almost picked some up. Oh, somebody wrote, I might die if there isn't candy at my house. That's funny. We have candy. My husband just can't eat any. But anyway, they had these in different scents, and I almost got a pink one, which I thought would be really pretty, but it said rose scented, and I wasn't so sure that I would like that. I don't really like a lot of scents, so I thought vanilla might be the best option for me. And I think they might have had a lavender also, but it actually smells really good. It's not too overpowering, but they're white, but whatever, white's good. So oh, I should have like a funnel or something. Well, let's use some cardstock here. I'm gonna make a funnel with my cardstock. Okay, got a funnel. Now we're gonna dump in our salt. Oh, it smells really good. And I know I don't take, whoa, I might have got too much. Okay, stop. Okay, there. I know I don't really take baths, but some of you, I'm sure, have some awesome bathtubs, and I know my daughter would love this. So I filled that up. I used just a little paper funnel, and now we're going to put the lid on, and there is some left in here, and this is filled way up to the top. So the jars, I got this jar at the Dollar Tree, and it came in this cute package just like this. And they have lots of other jars as well, but this is plastic. It's a plastic jar, so at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I filled it with the bath salts, and now we're going to decorate it. So I wanted to use one of my favorite pieces of paper from that, what is it called? The from my Heart Specialty Designer Series paper. This is one of my favorite papers. It's just so pretty. It has pink and red, which I love, and it coordinates with these punches. And we're going to use a stamp set. So this is the piece of paper we're using. It's a really light pink, and it has some arrows and hearts. On the back side, what's awesome about this, which is why I didn't really want to use it, is because you can actually use this punch, and you can like punch out the hearts right there, you know. So that's pretty cool too. But I'm going to use it because it's just paper and I can buy more. So I actually cut a strip that is, let me see what it is. It was a leftover piece. I believe it is 1 3/4 inches. It's 1 3/4 inches. And I'm going to put it around the center of this jar. So I'm just going to wrap it around, and I want it to overlap. I knew we wouldn't need 12 inches of it, but I just had a scrap piece, so I'm going to cut this here. So there's going to be a little bit of scrap left, and we're going to attach this. So let me grab my adhesive. I know Bobby said she was surprised to see me on a Sunday night. I know I'm down here working, so I canceled my bingo today. I rescheduled it for next Sunday because I have a lot of ladies that have to drive quite a ways. So I thought I was prepared to see some crafty friends. So now I can. So I glued that down on one edge, and now I'm going to take some you want some strong adhesive, some tear and tape. I'm going to wrap this around, and I'm just going to make sure it's lining up, it's not crooked, and I'm going to layer it just like that. So here is our jar so far. It looks cute just like that. And then we're going to take some more paper. So I punched out this from a 2-inch circle for the lid here. And then I'm going to layer it on a Starburst. I used my Starburst punch in real red. So I'm going to layer that and put that on the top. But I wanted to use a dimensional. Do I have those? So much for my table staying clear. That lasted for about 24 hours. So I just grabbed another brand new pack of dimensionals. And I'm going to put 2 of them on the back here. And then we're going to put this on the center of the lid. And then I'm just going to add some glue here. And then we're going to make a cute, so this is the back. So we're going to make a little heart that dangles here. And so I want to use, where's my stamp set? The stamp set, the heartfelt stamp set. I wanted to say Happy Valentine's Day. Now again, you could use any one that you want, but this is the one I'm going to use. Actually have it mounted on a ginormous block because that's what I could find. Because this is the photopolymer, you're going to want your foam mat. And I have a real red ink pad, and I have a strip of white cardstock. So let's do a little stamping. Because this is like such a solid image, you want to make sure you ink it up really good. Luis, I'm glad that you get to watch me tonight since I didn't get to see you earlier. Okay, and then I'm just stamping this on my little strip. Trying to get it off now. All right, there we go. There is our Happy Valentine's Day. Now I'm going to take the little punch right here, and then you put it in, and we're going to punch that out, line it up, just like that. And then let's take some sparkle glimmer paper, and we're going to punch out the scallop part that layers with that. So we're gonna just slide this in, punch that out. And now let's use some more dimensionals. Put it on here. Oh, the one thing I didn't grab is a little, oh gosh, like a paper piercer or a hole punch, because I want to dangle this from here. So let me grab that real quick. Hold tight. I promise I know right where it's at. All right, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna punch a hole up here at the top, and I'm gonna it's a tiny little hole, and I'm going to take some white baker's twine right here, and I'm going to just take the baker's twine, and I folded it in half, and I'm going to take this part and put it through here, hopefully. So I pulled that through, and then I'm gonna pull the ends up like that, so it can like dangle. And then we're going to wrap it around the jar and just tie it in the back. And then I am going to add a red bow with the pretty coordinating ribbon. So I just tied that on the back, and I'm going to trim the ends off. So I like how it dangles. We're done with the ink. And then I have this pretty satin red ribbon, so we're gonna make a bow. I think I want a bow on it. So I'm just going to do how I do my bows, which may not be how you do. 2 loops, kind of like hold your thumb, you wrap it around, pull it through, and you make a little bow, and you can fuss with it. But I think, yes, I want a little bow right there, and I'm going to put it on with the mini glue dot. So I'm going to cut my ends at an angle, and then I'm going to grab my mini glue dots right here, and I'm going to take your little bow and stick it on the mini glue dot, and then when you pull it up, it's on there, and then I can stick it right to that lid like that. And there is a really sweet and simple gift that you could make for Valentine's Day, and you can write on the back who it's to and from. But yeah, with the I use those bath salts from the Dollar Tree, and the jars from the Dollar Tree, and all the other products are Stampin' Up. You can see them on page 8 and 9 of our mini catalog right here. I love these products right here. The From My Heart Suite, sorry. And so we use the paper and the ribbon and the bundle right here to create our little project tonight, and a few other little things, but that was mainly it. So I hope you like this. If you wanted to get any of the products, here's the host code. Oh, also, here was a jar I got there at the Dollar Tree last year, and again, it's plastic also, and we still have this. It is from the Be Mine Stitched dies anyway. So I made this last year on a Facebook Live, and I did fill it with candy, and so they have all kinds of cute little jars there that you can use for your crafting purposes. So I just wanted to bring that out and show you as well. This one I did put candy in last year. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for joining me on Sunday night. I hope you all have a great week, and I will plan to be back on Wednesday at my normal time at 8 p.m. So I hope you can join me then. Thanks for sharing this and joining me tonight. Bye. Have a good night.